Okay, for number 22, they want us to solve these systems of equations, so we'll start with A. A jumps out at me to use substitution, so we'll take the 3x plus 1 and substitute it into the second equation. So we get x plus 2 times y, which is 3x plus 1, equals negative 5. So we distribute x plus 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 1 is 2, equals negative 5. Combine like terms, 7x plus 2 equals negative 5. Subtract 2, 7x equals negative 7, x equals negative 1. And then we'll use this top equation, right? So we get y equals 3 times x, which is negative 1, plus 1. Y equals negative 3 plus 1. Y equals negative 2. So the answer is negative 1, negative 2, written as an ordered pair. Okay, let's do B. Make some space here. B looks like a good candidate for elimination or substitution. I'm going to change the bottom equation, so the top stays the same, 2x plus 3y equals 9. I'm going to change the bottom one to be x equals 2y plus 1, right? Add 2y to both sides. So now I can use substitution, right? I'll take 2y plus 1 and I'll put it in there for the x. So we get 2 times x, which is 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1, plus 3y equals 9, right? Top equation. So distribute 4y plus 2 plus 3y equals 9. Combine like terms, 7y plus 2 equals 9. Subtract 2 from both sides, 7y equals 7, so y equals 1, divided both sides by 7. Now I can take this equation and solve for x. So I get x equals 2y, 2 times 1 plus 1. X equals 2 plus 1. X equals 3. So we write it as an ordered pair 3, 1.